On my way to Hocking Hills, I decided to pull off the road and go somewhere new. I think I'm still in Lancaster, Ohio. Now, the reviews were mixed for this place, Peddler's Junction. A lot of people say it wasn't much of an antique mall. It's a vendor mall. So all kinds of stuff, new, old, craft, whatever. However, I've learned one thing, and it's not to trust the reviews, to find out for myself. So let's go in and investigate. I think I'm gonna grab a preemptive basket here. This place is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I feel like there's no way we're not gonna find something in here. My first taste of vintage here. Look at this very unusual hobbyist piece. I'm not sure what's happening there. It's a strange scenario for sure. Yeah, definitely a hodgepodge. Like random vintage Barbie case in there, Nintendo. It's definitely more of like a flea market in here than anything, but I think that's fun to switch it up sometimes. Okay, here we go. First off, what's going on with the chalkware fish? These become so popular. $15. That one's repaired, just kidding. How about this one? This one's in good condition. Nope, repaired as well. I don't really want to buy a repaired one. Sorry, guys. I'm going to leave those be. What's going on up here? A little mosaic box. That's fun. Oh my gosh. The otter is so great. Unfortunately, it's also broken. So I'm going to leave that. This is a fun booth. Looks like Viking glass. Yeah, Viking candle holders. $15 each. That's not bad at all. Okay, but this squirrel. Look at his face. That's so good. $6.50. Well, there you go. We're going to take that for sure. He has a maniacal smile. Look, that looks like one of the Zodiac angels. It is. Aquarius, $7. These are not easy to come by. And it's even got its original paper. If you do find them, they're either spendy or broken or both. So for $7, I'm gonna go ahead and take this too. Whoa, wait a minute. What's going on here? Is this what I think it is? No, it's not. It's glass. Just kidding. I thought it was one of those Italian lucite resin ones. This place just keeps going. I felt like it was gonna be a quick stop, but maybe not. Dude. Okay, so this lucite one, $6.50. This one is $6.50. It looks like, unfortunately, some of these have been through the ringer. Like, look at that. That's seen better days. It looks like it melted or something. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. Random Fenton plate. Mother's Day 1982. Not the most popular thing, but really pretty. It's also uranium, so that kind of adds value. I'm gonna leave it for $30 though. Is this what I think it is? Sugar shaker. No, I thought it was gonna be one of those cologne bottles or perfume bottles. There's like a whole dresser set. I actually have like the cigarette holder and ashtray and lighter set that comes in that pattern. Wow, there's just like another game of scavenger hunt in here. Over here, this looks like to be a Swedish vase. $8.25. 20% off in this booth. A lot going on in here. Some handmade stuff, but I'm mostly interested in what's happening back here. Looked exciting from afar. Up close, looks like a lot of more common stuff. The prices are good though. Definitely getting my steps in for the day. If you come here, definitely be prepared for a hike. There's a lot of space to cover. All right, here we go. Whoa! Fenton Ferry. Oh, dang, it's like super cracked. Just kidding. I was gonna say, why is that $30? That's a really good fairy lamp. And then back here, this little giraffe is so cute. $2.50 on that. I'll take that. We love a good giraffe. I guess the trick is to not pick up too much stuff. I just went to start a pile, and they said they're not allowed to hold piles up at the front. $20 on the Fenton. Kind of a strange rule, but to each his own. See a bunch of vintage stuff sprinkled in this booth. The owl salt and pepper shakers are cute. $6 on those. And then look at the seahorses. $8. Well, we got to get the seahorses. I've never seen those before. And then here, a little Fenton. That's $14. Lotus Mist. That's what it is. I was trying to remember what that Fenton color is. So pretty. $130 on the basket. Well, I was originally looking at all the Fenton. The egg is amazing. $39 on that and $28 on that. That looks like beehive treasures. Anyway, it's this cat though. As is, $5. What's as is about it? Oh, it's got a big hole in the back. That stinks. It's so fun though. Imperial purple slag, $18. That's a bargain. Oh, here it is. Is this a Viking freaking Santa Claus? It is. Dang. And it's $10. That's so cool. Too bad it weighs like 100 pounds. I'm gonna have to carry it around the rest of this place. Definitely gonna grab that though. This is unexpected. Look at that French curio cabinet. That is gorgeous. I'm assuming it's French. It looks well done enough to be French. Okay, so like I know it's contemporary, but can we talk about this weird cat? That's so funny. This is a cool booth. Looks like they make stuff here. Really fun. Look at like the ghost prints and the repurposed cat art. That's fabulous. Also a big fan of the dinosaur mirror. That's pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. And it's also only $45, which is crazy. I've been pretty impressed by the prices in this place though. Definitely one of those places you never know what you're gonna find. Look at this pig bank, speaking of which. UNESCO. I think that's gonna be Taiwan. Yeah, 1980. That's so fun. And then the leopard, I've had that one before. Little Tenala bird. $8 on that. Again, I just had one like that recently, so I'm gonna let it be. But what is going on here? Is this a cloisonné giraffe? Well, that's really cool. $15 and 20% off. I'm just now seeing this 20% off sign. So for $12, I'm gonna get the cloisonné giraffe because let's face it, it's not every day you see that. Well, that was a pleasant trip with unexpected finds. I love the Viking Santa. I'm so excited about that. $10 was such a good deal. Looks like the storm has started. I'm off to Hocking Hills. I'll see you guys there. Today, I finally made it back to the Logan Antique Mall in Logan, Ohio. Let's see if we can get as lucky as we did the last time. Well, immediately on the tables outside, I see the Westmoreland. 15. See, the prices are so good here. I like the dragonfly vase. That's a fun one. Dude, what? I haven't even made it inside yet. What's going on with the little llamas? Those are so cute. Set of 2 llamas, $7.50. They have that Artisania Rinconada look to them. I don't think they are, but they might be from Uruguay. $7.50. We're taking the llamas. Really nice Fenton. Oh my gosh, look at that color. $56 on that. This mid-century ashtray, that's fun too. Little glass Cupie. Over here, it looks like Gilner. $18.95 on that. It's got a repaired neck. Love the Fire King polka dot. Amazing chalkware. Look at the Snow White. She's in like new condition. That's insane. $60. That's a bargain for a collector. Yeah, it looks like a lot of old new stock chalkware here. And then the glass ducks. Oh my gosh, that's definitely Murano. $85. What a steal. And then this weird bone carved fish ashtray on glass. That's kind of fun. But this case, this is what I've been really waiting for. Some really nice stuff. Great Fenton. It's actually this piece over here, this Italian pottery. I can't remember the name. $249 on that. I know they have a bunch of that artist in Medina, and it's like my favorite thing ever when I go in there to look at it. And I got some good pink glass over here last time. Looks like they've replaced it with other glass since. $125 on the basket. Really nice Fenton pieces. Makes sense since we're so close to Fenton. Nice St. Clair lamp. $145. That's so cheap for that. I like the look of this case. Some really nice glass and pottery. Man, it's really packed in here. I don't really mess with the Christmas trees much. Fenton vase. I've seen that so many times though. I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm looking for that different stuff. The fish dish is fun. $35. Look at that Fenton piece. That's so pretty with the hand painting. What's that say? I think it says 60 bucks, I think. I'm obsessed with whatever this is. Nut dispenser, glass clown nut dispenser, made in Taiwan. I don't think it is glass. I think it's plastic. Sounds like plastic. That's so fun. I remember this booth. 15 on the blue Fenton, 15 on the amber. Gosh, the prices are just so good. Now this mug, that's cool. Blinko, that's what I thought, $15. That's such a good color too. Ooh, look at the frog. Weller pottery frog, $65. Oh, it's got a huge chunk missing out of its eye. That's probably why it's priced like that. That's a really good one. And what's this fused glass Santa plate? That's fun. It's signed too, $7.50. With Christmas coming right around the corner, I know I've been trying to pick up smaller items, but this is pretty great. And the fact that it's signed at under $10, I kind of feel like you can't argue with that. I'm gonna pick that up. What is this bottle? Whew. Sheesh. That's nice. That's one thing I definitely remember about this place. They had insane marbles. So cool. Oh, I almost forgot the Blinko mug. Since that is such a hard to find and desirable color, for 15 bucks, I don't even see another one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick that up. Oh man, the California pottery horse. That's so fantastic. 25 on that. That's a deal for a collector. So great. Look at all the old telephones. So fun. I love the pink color. Of all the paperweights, the orange one definitely stands out to me. Let's see, what do they have on that? $20. That's so pretty. A lot of them are Chinese, but I don't know. That one looks like well done enough to be actually Murano. I'm a little thrown off by them. And look at this wave crest. So pretty. Look at this fantastic snowman. Oh my gosh. It's a hobbyist piece, but it's so much fun. Snowmen are harder to find too. That's only $6. I'll probably end up grabbing that. And then here, what is this little, oh, it's plastic. Look at this perfume bottle. That's so funny, head over heels. No shortage of bluebirds of happiness here, good grief. I remember they had such great Christmas in this booth. Oh my gosh, how funny is this anthropomorphic chalkware corn notepad? It's got a little bit of wear, but that's really fun. I've never seen that one before. Looks like we've approached a little bit of a jewelry situation over here. This is kind of nice, this bracelet. The beads on that are gorgeous, $2.50. Then I see a daisy peeking out. $3 on that. I'll take that for $3. We love daisies. Daisies are my favorite flower. So maybe I'm a little bit biased. I remember this booth. They had like the best handmade jewelry. Look at this freaking necklace. That's so wild. $125 on that. What's this bangle? Into that. That looks like Sobral. Let's see, what does it say on the tag? $15. Fake-a-lite. I don't see any markings. It's really fun. Now I love the Mahjong necklace. That's really fun. That's got the original tiles. The Bakelite tiles kind of reminds me of Jan Carlson. Oh yeah, I remember this. Look at this crazy Empoli. It's like bigger than half my body. love the cat box. What is that, Mosser? Let's see. Cat on drum, $70. And then this, I think that's Imperial. No, Westmoreland. Gosh, I always get the two confused. $35 on the owl. Over here, this is really interesting to me. What is this Jack in the Pulpit? Art glass vase. That's really weird. I remember all the Hager too. Some really great pottery pieces. And then down here, that's interesting. In purple. Never seen that one before. Let's see what else they got going on. The clowns. I like this clown. He's pretty fun. $35. What is this paperweight? That's crazy looking. Let's see. Lily Paperweight Erickson, $233. Well, there you go. This orange piece is amazing too. That's also Erickson. I feel like I've never seen so much Erickson glass in all my life as I have the past couple days. Handmade by Erickson. There you go. Even more. This is kind of an unusual rose bowl. Oh, no, it was just a reflection. Just kidding. Now, in this case, these little Millefiore pieces kind of catch my attention. I don't know how much they are. The Bakelite dice back there are awesome. Those are at $39. Yeah, I might get a key for this. I'm kind of curious. Speaking of Millefiore, check this bracelet out. That's unusual the way that is. I would have thought it was like double drilled. It is. It's just missing a string, I was going to say. Okay, that makes more sense. I have a broken one, too. Over here. Whoa. What is that owl keychain? How did I miss the Terry Kreiders back there? Wow, look at the blue one. That's gorgeous. Equally as epic are these furry rhinestone glasses. Oh my gosh. Always a fun antique mall. I did end up picking a few of those little Millefiore chunks up. They were $10 each. And I got the ones that were bigger and I liked. So I spent $69 in there. I successfully shopped Logan Antique Mall once again. And I'm back on the road. I'll see you guys later.